In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a template in Elementor. This skill is a great way to jumpstart your web design process, whether you're building a site from scratch or looking to give your existing website a fresh look. We'll walk through each step together, and by the end, you'll be confident in using Elementor templates like a pro. First things first, let's make sure you have access to Elementor on your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll want to look for the Pages or Posts section, depending on where you're planning to add the template. Click on the option that suits your needs, and then proceed to either create a new page or post, or edit an existing one. Next, you'll need to launch Elementor to start editing. You do this by clicking the Edit with Elementor button that appears on your page or post editor. This action will take you to the Elementor interface, where all the magic happens. If you're new to Elementor, don't worry. It provides you with a range of easy-to-use tools that help build beautiful layouts and designs. Now, on the Elementor editor, you'll find a folder icon in the center or at the top panel. Click on it. This action opens the Elementor template library. The library is a collection of pre-designed templates and blocks that you can readily use for your project. These templates range from complete page designs to more focused blocks, such as headers, footers, contact sections, and more. Once in the template library, you'll see a variety of options for both free and premium templates. Spend some time browsing through them to find a design that fits your vision. You can also use the search bar to find specific styles or themes. When you find a template you like, hover over it. An option to preview the template will appear, allowing you to see how it will look before committing to it. When you're satisfied with your choice, click the Insert button. If it's a premium template and you're not subscribed to Elementor Pro, you might be prompted to upgrade. For free templates, there shouldn't be any additional steps. The template will then populate into your workspace, and you can begin customizing it to match your brand identity and content needs. Now that the template is in place, you can edit various elements such as text, images, and colors. Simply click on the part you want to edit, and Elementor's intuitive panel will allow you to make adjustments with ease. Remember, you can always undo changes if you don't like them, so feel free to experiment until you achieve the perfect look. Finally, once you're happy with the layout and content, click on the green Update or Publish button, depending on whether you're editing a current page or creating a new one. And that's it. Your new design is now live and ready for your audience to see. Mastering templates in Elementor will significantly streamline your website projects, making the process less daunting and more enjoyable. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!